I've already shown how to make this dough on the channel. Check the link in the description for sweet pie dough. My dough is baked, so now I'll prepare the cream. I start by dissolving 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with a little bit of milk. Now I add 3 egg yolks that have already been strained, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and the rest of the milk, which totals 350 ml. I mix all the ingredients well and bring it to a boil over medium heat to thicken. Now I cover it with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming on top. While the cream cools at room temperature, it's time to chop the fruits for the topping. For this recipe, I'm going to use strawberries, kiwi, grapes, and canned peaches. Now I'm going to finish the tart. We spread the cooled cream over the crust. Decorate it with the fruits. And on top, I'm going to brush on the shiny jelly, which is super easy to make. You just mix 150 ml of peach syrup with a dessert spoon of cornstarch. Put it on the stove, and when it boils and thickens, it's ready. Let it cool a little and brush it over the fruits to give them that beautiful shine. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video.